Hello and welcome to today's spelling lesson. So we're going to start as usual with our test on last week's words. So make sure that you have a pen or pencil and some paper ready. Remember, you can pause me at any time if I'm going too fast. I'll read the word within the sentence, and then the word again. You just write the word. Okay? First word, frequent. A robin is a frequent visitor to my garden. Write frequent. Next word, patient. I'm not very patient with my children. Write patient. Next word, ancient. There is an ancient oak tree at the park. Write ancient. Next word, innocent. The man was innocent of the crime. Write innocent. Next word, dependent. A baby is dependent on its parents. Write dependent. Next word, intelligent. You are all very intelligent. Write intelligent. Next word, obedient. My daughter is not very obedient. Write obedient. Next word, magnificent. Your artwork is magnificent. Write magnificent. And our red words, government. Our government is run by Boris Johnson. Write government. And equipment. Have you got the equipment for the science lesson? Write equipment. Okay, when you're ready, I'm going to move on to the next page. So if you're not ready to mark, then press pause. If you are ready, I'm going to move on and you can mark. There you go. So we have those words there. Hopefully you remembered the U after the Q in frequent and the silent N in government, and you didn't put an extra T in equipment, which seems to be something that people do quite a lot. Okay, word of the day, sufficient. Enough or adequate. So at the end of a meal, oh, I've had sufficient amount of food, thank you, to the person that's fed it to you. So I've had sufficient, I've had enough. Our red words for today, again with our ent ending, we have sufficient and environment. I would like you to write those two words in as many ways as you can. So uppercase, lowercase, that means capital letters, lowercase letters, colourful, squiggly, however works for you. So write them as many ways as you possibly can. See if you can do 5 different ways for me. Okay, so pause me now, do that, and then move on when you're ready. Okay, so we are continuing with spelling words ending in ENT, and we're going to do dictation now. So remember, you get points for correct spelling of the ENT words and the capital letter and the punctuation at the end of the sentence. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to read the sentences. You can rewind me as many times as you need to for each sentence. I'll read each sentence twice slowly, okay? But remember, you can pause me, rewind me as much as you like. So sentence 1, you must learn to be patient. You must learn to be patient. Sentence 2, they are innocent of the crime. They are innocent of the crime. Third sentence, I train my dog to be obedient. I train my dog to be obedient. Final sentence, we chanted the ancient rhyme. We chanted the ancient rhyme. If If you're not ready to move on to the answers, pause me now. Okay, so here are your answers. So each underlined part is a correct point. So if you have the capital Y on you, if you spelled patient correctly and the full stop, that's 2 separate marks there. So 3 marks for the first sentence, 3 marks for the second. I train my dog to be obedient, so we've got 3 marks there as well. So the full stop is separate to the obedient. You've got an extra mark in the final sentence because rhyme is one of our red words or very close to it. I know we have rhythm in our red words, so I thought it might be worth getting that one right as well. So you get an extra mark for that one as well. Okay, you have another activity to do. I will attempt to show you that now. Okay, so you will see a separate spelling resource in the assignments. All you need to do is to complete the sentences by adding in the correct word from the top here. So you've got the words confidently, confident, confidence, innocently, innocent, innocence, frequent, frequently, silently, and silent. And you add each one of those into each of these sentences. Just be careful with number 7. It's 2 sentences, but we only add 1 word into those 2 sentences. And then, as always, we also have, oh, not as always, here's a little extra, red word practice. I have done you a look, say, cover, write, check sheet because next week we're going to be testing you on your red words for the term. That look, say, cover, write, check sheet, we're also going to do twice next week as well to help you. So do it as many times as you like. If you don't like doing look, say, cover, write, check, I'm more than happy for you to do your squiggly words, your rainbow words, whatever works for you, but you've got them there so that you can make sure you're spelling them correctly. So you've got the sheet, have a practice for me. And then as usual, there is a handwriting sheet for you. So there's an easier and a harder sheet on adverbs. Okay, enjoy.